Hello, honey. I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute zebra. You can ask your parents to download and print a free coloring page with animals of Africa. The link to coloring page in the description under the video. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Now let's look at the picture. Our zebra has a head, ears, neck, body, legs, mane, and tail. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, ears, mane, neck, body, legs, and tail. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here at the top of the paper. Draw a big oval. Then two upside down U shapes at the top of the oval for ears. The first and the second. That's the way to go, you did it! A curve inside for muzzle. Short strokes over here for nose. And small T shape for smile. T shape over here. Then let's draw an eye. An oval for eye. And let's color it. Try to stay inside the lines. Then let's add a blush. Draw a circle near the eye. Getting better all the time. I like your drawing. Now let's draw a neck. Draw two vertical lines over here. The first and the second. Then let's draw a body. I start over here on the left side, curves right, up, left and connect with the neck. That's the way, I like your line. Then let's draw the legs. Draw two vertical lines on the left side, 1, 2, and connect them with two horizontal lines, the first and the second. Then let's draw the same thing on the right side. Two vertical lines and two horizontal lines. Then let's draw the same legs on the right side. Two vertical lines over here and two horizontal lines inside. Getting better all the time, keep it up. Two vertical lines on the left side and two horizontal lines inside. Then let's draw the mane. I start over here and draw a line. Then let's draw a wavy line over here. Then let's draw a tail. Let's draw two C shapes. The first, the second, and connect these two lines. Then let's draw water drop shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's add stripes to our zebra. Draw straight lines inside the body. Then inside the legs, vertical lines, 2 in one direction, 2 in the other. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then there are straight lines over here in the mane. And in the tail. You got it! Your zebra is so cute! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie art. I will see your drawing and answer to show your message. Now, let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. I choose yellow for this part of muzzle, tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Pink for blush. And ears. Draw upside down U shape inside and coloring over here. Then I choose gray for this part of legs for hooves. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. My zebra stripes will be rainbow. Red, here, here, and here. Then orange. This stripe will be white, this orange. White, orange, orange, tracing and coloring inside. The next color is yellow. This stripe will be white, this yellow. White, yellow, and yellow. The next color is green. Tracing again and coloring inside. This line, this stripe is white, this yellow. White and yellow. The next color is blue. Tracing again and coloring inside. This stripe is white, this blue. This part will be blue. Then indigo. Tracing again and coloring inside. White and indigo. Then purple or violet for this stripe. And again these colors of rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, and green. Then red again for leg, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And red again, orange, and yellow. Wow, you did awesome on coloring and drawing zebra. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my Patreon for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. See you, bye bye!